Morning. It's, what day is it? Tuesday. Wonder if Andrew put the bins out. He did. Good stuff. It's still raining, and early this morning poor Reef vomited everywhere. So we're just having a pajama inside warm day.
What's my wobbly teeth?
Everyone's got wobbly teeth.
Except
And
Mom and Dad.
Will's meant to be sleeping. Obviously that's not happening. Yeah, Summer's in trouble. Well, you know what happened. I didn't know what else to give you as a consequence, so this is just what we're doing. But yeah, I don't know what else to do about Summer's behavior, so we're just banning screens, banning Roblox. So we decided to pick things up today and just let's make it better. Let's include everybody in everything. So we pulled all the toys out. We worked out who got who from the Mario chess collection. And they worked out really nice on who was playing with which bit and who was each person, and I think that we might be able to make this a really good day. We could really help turn this morning around to something wonderful. Not the healthiest snack, but I put some fruit on to make me feel better. And Reef finally says that he's feeling up to having a few cookies, so we'll see. We will see. I subscribe to a thing called Lootcrate, Lootwear, so that'll be kind of cute to do like a little unbagging, which is a shirt every month. Mega Man. Most of these shirts end up being workout shirts anyway, but how cute is that? I'm going to wear that today. Afternoon. We have not really done much today. Reef is still sick. He's been vomiting, so it's not been too great. At the moment I'm just baking school snacks and lunches and all of that sort of thing. I decided on mini cheese and bacon bagels and mini pizzas. Yeah, Reef's been asleep on the lounge for a few hours now. He's alright. Yeah. Gentle. He's not a car. Leave him alone. So yeah, our day has been mortified, yeah. So we have not been doing much at all, just bits and pieces at home. These are the mini pizzas so far. Pinterest says they will turn out, but we all know a Pinterest fail when we see them. The bacon tastes good though. They're not cooked yet. They will be soon. I'm super impressed by these little tortilla pizzas, so I think they will definitely be a win in the school lunches. And I mean, they turned out really crispy too. And they're just a little snack, something different. We've been doing a lot of sweet baking, so now it's time to really pull out the savory. We've got the bagel dough rising there. It's still got another hour to go. Got the bacon to go in it, cheese to go in it. And in here, I'm trying to make keto crackers, which is pretty much just cheese baked. We'll see how that turns out. because Andrew and I are doing their ketogenic diet, so no carbs. We've got the bagels ready to plop into the water mixture. Here's how the bagels turned out. They do taste good. I did have a bite of one, but they are mini ones, so they're not too bad. Yeah, they turned out really good. Well, Summer was the one who ate one and she loved it. Reef, however, has been vomiting more. I'm just saying goodnight to the kidly wings.
It is so hot.
It's so hot that you got naked. Oh my goodness.
Look at my muscles.
Lovely muscles. I love them. Look at your beautiful hair right now. It looks so amazing.
Can you scratch my back a little bit?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Alright, good night.
Can you scratch over here? It's really itchy. And up on here because these are the best scratches on it. There.
Oh, there. Right, good night. Love you.
Get my monkey. Monkey.
Sure.
Chuck him and see if I can catch him. I did it.
Good night,
Well,
Dylan.
we're saying him
To the monkey. Good night. Reef has still been quite sick. He vomited a few more times. He vomited just before bed. No, sorry, just before dinner. So, Dig Dig's clean. I washed him today. Would you like him? That's his blanket, but he's got a bucket, got a towel, got, for some reason, our sheet off our bed. Anyway, whatever. Good night, mate. I don't know if I want to kiss this. Good night, chicken.
Good night.
Anyway, we didn't get much done today. We didn't really do much. But I hope you enjoy our Vlogtober video anyway, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.